uh, it's not an impeachable offense. The analogy made was not intended to put malice in that particular statement. Ang gusto natin is i-point out that kadalasan may mga statements which are taken out of context. Dapat tignan yung kabuuan at hindi dapat nagpupunta sa konklusyon. While may mga tao siguro that found the analogy in bad taste, dun sa mga na-offend, tayo'y inuulit ko, walang malis doon sa nanais nating gawin dun sa statement na yun. Ayaw natin makasakit through that analogy, but kung may nasaktan, humihingi tayo ng dispensa. Kay Miss Ann Curtis rin, kung nasaktan siya sa sinabi, there was, ulitin ko, there was no malice intended at tayo humihingi ng dispensa sa kanya. Pero, well, totoo yung, it was a fictitious situation na aking ginawa. Isa lang ang totoo doon, yung sinabi ko ang ganda-ganda niya. Dahil talaga naman maganda siya. Now, ulitin ko, I think this proves yung nakakalungkot na sitwasyon dito sa. As I mentioned, kung yung conclusion naging may malice, hindi yun yung intended nung aking intensyon nung aking analogy.
But why do you even have to say that, sir? Bakit niyo po kailangan sabihin yung analogy na yun?
No, actually, alam mo, biglaan yung analogy na yun dahil di ba pinakita sa video yung kay VP Sara at one of the allegations being used for the impeachment yung desire at saka yung kanyang imagination to inflict harm. Sabi ko nga, desire and imagination is not an impeachable offense. Yung analogy na yun dahil di ba nung isang araw kasi may kaibigan ako nanood nung pelikula Yun ang unang naisip kong pangalan. Dapat siguro gumamit tayo ng fictitious name or another analogy. But yun lang ang naisip ko at that time. But as I mentioned, the intention, let's go back to the intention. There was no malice intended in it.
Pero nagsisisi ka, sir, na gumamit mo yung analogy?
Well, sa pagbigay ng analogy, I stand by my statement that analogy was used to prove that statements are oftentimes taken out of context. Nagsisisi ako na may nasaktang mga kababaihan because that was never the intention ng aking statement.